Hi, good morning. Welcome to my kitchen. It's Arlene. I'm gonna make some porridge. So I'm gonna do some oats, green plantain, and some peanut. And over on the other side, we have some saltfish and some yam with some dumplings. So I put the water on to boil a bit. Now I'm gonna add my cinnamon leaf and my cinnamon stick that is being washed. It's already washed. I'm gonna add my plantain. Put my oats. It's gonna blend it. Put it to blend.